Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a jewelry collection, organization, and storage video. I just got in my jewelry box from Stackers through the Container Store, and I love how good my jewelry looks in this jewelry box, and just everything aesthetically about the jewelry box is so nice. So I'm going to go ahead and let you know which version I went with, how it fits on my jewelry, how I store it, where I put it, and we'll go through a few of my pieces in there as well, and I'll let you know where they're from. Obviously, I won't be including the pieces that are on me, so if you want to see a video all about my everyday jewelry and these pieces that I'm currently wearing, then I will link that video in the description box below, and you can watch that next. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so these are the Stackers. I got them in white and it has a little silver detailing right here. Each piece comes apart and you actually buy them separately. So I got 3 tiers to start, and I got the standard top that closes and opens. There is also an option to get just a glass top to put on top of any one of these trays, but I actually liked the layout of the box that came with the lid, so that's the one that I personally went with. I just quickly wanted to show you on the website how these are ordered because it is a little bit confusing. You'll go to the website, type in Stackers, find the shape, general idea that you want. Once you click on to the actual product page, you'll see the different options that you can add to your cart from that size category. Then you'll scroll down and add however many pieces of each section you want. You can do 0 to however many, and then you'll go ahead and say add to cart, and it'll add each item to your cart, and you'll go ahead and check out from there. So this first top piece is the Stackers Supersized Lidded White, and then my second section is the Supersized 41 section white, and then my bottom one is called the Deep 11 section white. And then I got a little watch roll in taupe to put in the back, but actually my wrists are too small, so the settings that I have on my watches actually don't fit to close around that little roll, so I just kind of have them laying on top of it. Okay, so when you open the box up, it looks like this. It has this beautiful, almost suede feeling taupe interior, and I've sectioned mine off silver on the left, gold on the right. Obviously the gold section is pretty empty because I'm wearing all the pieces, but you can see that I'm not wearing silver right now, and that's why everything over here is nice and organized. In this back section right here, I keep my longer necklaces. The first one in here is this 1994 necklace that I have. I got it custom made on a website. I forgot what it's called, but I'll link it down below. And I just love how this came out, especially the font and the chain. I just love layering this necklace. This is another one of my most worn pieces. This is a diamond by the yard from Tiffany & Co. And I will link all the details of the length of the chain and size of diamond and everything that I got in the description box. I have just a classic rope chain. You can get these pretty much anywhere. I know that Macy's has a ton of them, and I'm pretty sure that there are some on Amazon. And then I have the silver version of my Gorjana choker that I currently am wearing in gold. Next up, I have 2 versions of the cigarette chain bracelets from Adina's Jewels. This larger one, to me personally, is prettier, but the clasp just would open up so easily all the time, so I ended up getting the smaller one that has a more secure closure, and I actually wear that one every single day now because it no longer falls off of my wrist. Then I have a Casio watch in both silver and gold. This one is a lot smaller, and I actually got this in Israel years and years ago when I was there on my gap year, and I like that they kind of live in opposite compartments from each other. Then I have this Dior bracelet that I actually got from an Etsy shop, and it came with like these giant little tassels at the ends that I actually cut off because I found that they got in the way of everything, so now I have the shorter tassels, but I love the color of this so much. Now in here I have one of my favorite bracelets. This is my love bracelet. This came in a FabFitFun box years ago, and then I have this little silver beaded bracelet with a khamsa on it that my aunt got me, and I wear this again when I'm wearing all my silver jewelry. These are my favorite pair of hoop earrings ever, and they are by Gorjana, and I wear them all the time. I need to get a pair in gold as well because they're just so cute and they look amazing. Then I have a pair of really dainty huggy earrings that I got from Amazon. All these rings up here in the top row are faux, and I actually got them from Amazon. This is Monica Vinader. This is Monica Vinader as well, same with this, and I stack these together usually. Then this was a gift from a friend of mine. This is the Cartier Love Ring, and it is the thinner version. Then I have this engraved ring. It says 25 in Roman numerals because it was a birthday gift from a friend of mine, and this is from Gorjana as well. So I decided to put all of my everyday jewelry in the top row because then I can kind of switch things up as I want. Obviously I don't have as much gold as I do silver to change things up day to day, but that is something that we are adding to slowly. So then you pick this guy up and you are in your second layer. Now the second row consists of quite a few different types of jewelry. It's stuff that I would like to wear every day but doesn't fit in my top drawer, like these bangles don't fit in the top ones, and neither does my Monica Vinader bangle. Or it's jewelry that I got years ago when I was on my gap year in Israel that I keep for the memories, but I'm not necessarily going to wear them anytime soon, or just other random bits and pieces that, you know, you have in your jewelry collection but you don't wear all the time. So I'm not going to go through everything in here, but I have some chokers down here that are fun when you're like dressing up more 90s. And then I have my diamond E necklace that my aunt got me for graduation. I absolutely love that necklace. Then I have some, you know, weirder, more artistic rings and necklaces from Tiveria in Israel. And then I have this ring from Pandora that I wear quite often actually, so that's down here. And then I have this really cool gold pin with embellishments on it that I think is really cute, and I can put that on a jean jacket maybe. I love this necklace right here because I wear it whenever I go to Disneyland. This is my Tinkerbell necklace, and I got this from a friend of mine when I was in middle school, and I love it because it brings back so many memories. Then I have my Hebrew name necklace. This says Eliana in Hebrew script, and then I also have it in Hebrew, just like a classic font in here, but this one needs to be cleaned. Then I also have this floating heart necklace from Tiffany that is currently completely knotted, and I don't know how the hell to get it out. I'll have to take it to Tiffany when they reopen, but for now it's sitting in here. Then I have a bunch of little mismatched earrings in here. Then I have this really pretty bracelet that just looks stunning, like a waterfall when you wear it on the wrist, that I like to wear when I have events and stuff like that. Then I have my classic little choker Tiffany & Co. necklace that I actually wrap around twice as a bracelet if I want to wear it as a bracelet. And then stuff from House of Harlow that was super in years and years and years ago, but not super in anymore. So that's kind of what's going on in this second drawer, but I love this because it can fit necklaces, it could fit bracelets, and it could fit rings. Then the third drawer is my miscellaneous drawer. Obviously I have some watches in the back. I have my nicer watches on the pillow that they came with back here. I have my Movado Bold, which I'm obsessed with this watch. I think it's so stunning. And then I have my Burberry Classic that I wear all the time as well. These are both just the most stunning watches ever, and I love that it has the butterfly clasp in the back. I have all of my different Apple Watch straps back here. Some of my more funky earrings are kind of in here. This bangle from House of Harlow. I have a bunch of like other random bracelets. Do you remember when these were a thing? These were the coolest bracelets ever to have years and years ago. And I'm always scared to wear them because I don't want them to get ruined and break, so I just keep them in here. But they're adorable. And then I have some more hoop earrings back here as well. Most of these are from icing actually. And then one of my favorite little wraparound bracelets is this one right here from Rebecca Minkoff. I just love these more funky wraparound cuffs and things like this for when you want to make your outfit just a little bit more edgy. And then I do have more watches over here. This one is Marc by Marc Jacobs that I need to replace the battery on. And then this one is Movement for her. I used to have a lot more watches. I don't know where they went. Now obviously that is a pretty big size of a jewelry box. They do have a large and a medium and a small, I believe, as well. They have tons of different options, but I keep mine down at the bottom part of my nightstand just because I feel like my nightstand needed something on that shelf anyways, and I was planning on putting a little basket, but I think that that looks a lot cuter because it just took up way too much room on my desk. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to go watch my everyday jewelry video if you are curious to know which pieces I'm wearing on me. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.